The first exercise that we'll be running through is pelvic tilts with core activation. Begin by placing your hands on the bony parts on the front of your hips and crawl 1 to 2 centimeters in. Tilt your pelvis back so that your back is pressed straight into the bed and tense your stomach muscles. It should look something like this. Tilt the pelvis back and flatten your back against the bed, tense the tummy muscles and then relax. Tilt back, flatten your back, tense your tummy muscles and then relax. Make sure that you're breathing the entire time throughout the exercise. The next exercise that we'll be running through is a glute bridge with a towel between your legs. Begin by lying on your back and your legs bent to 45 degrees. Place a towel between your legs and squeeze your legs together so that the towel cannot fall down. Keeping your arms by your side, you're going to push down through your legs and lift your bottom up. Your body should be in line with your trunk. And you should be feeling this in through your glutes, as well as the inner aspect of your thighs. Continue to push down through your legs and lift your bottom up. Making sure to keep the towel between your legs at all times. You should not be feeling this in your lower back. You should be feeling this in through your bottom and in through the inner aspect of your legs. The next exercise that we will be running through is a side plank. The side plank helps to target the oblique muscles or the muscles running in through the side of your stomach. Begin by placing your bottom leg bent up to 45 degrees and the top leg straight. Keep your hands on your hip and push up so that your body and your trunk are in line. You should feel this on the side of your stomach and hips closest to the bed. Push down through your shoulder and lift your hips up so that your trunk is in line with the rest of your body. You should not be rotating in through your trunk or sagging in through your hips. Your body should always remain in line with your leg. So continue pushing up and you should feel this in through the side.